let me show you guys what came in the mail 5 days ago that I haven't. It's been sitting in this box because I didn't have time to do an unboxing until today. So I've just been staring at this. Today I'm unboxing my very first Hasselblad. It's the X2D 100C. So I have the camera body and then the lens that I picked out, I believe it was the 55. Okay, so I'm seeing it online for about $8,100 just for the body. I've never had a camera this expensive in my life. I've been photographing for over 10 years. Never thought that I would get to a point where I'm shooting on something so expensive. So I'm excited. I'm very interested. Very interested. Okay, let's start with the camera body first. There was a cat hair right there. Pipsy was trying to get into this, my cat. And I had to be like, sweetie, that's $8,000. You gotta go eat your cat food and leave this alone. Do we do ASMR? Who cares about that? I'm not even gonna try. Like, you know how they do that? You know, they do that for the TikTok. They probably redo that 17 times. I'm just here to get this camera and charge the batteries, which hopefully is in here. Okay, my cat is gonna eat this. I gotta be careful. Okay, so here it is. Very cute little box. I'm not great at doing this. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Looks beautiful. Oh my God, I feel like I'm gonna drop this. It's gonna go straight down. This looks so nice already. It's giving like a, it looks so expensive and kind of mysterious. Is that weird? Let's take it out. Wow. This is so cool. Does this come out? Does the back part come out? Okay, maybe it doesn't. I don't know. I've never used any of these cameras before. This has a good weight to it. It feels very solid and it looks just so cool. It looks very high tech. It's very simple. We have the play button, a circle button, X button, and then there's 3 lines. That's the top of the camera. Very simple. It just has one manual button and it has ISO and white balance. And it says handmade in Sweden at the very top right here. If you guys can see that, it says handmade in Sweden, which is very cool. Very, very cool. And look at the shutter button, how cute that is. Look, it's orange and it has an H on it. Love that little detail of the H. And I love that the shutter button is orange. I like that. That's really cute. It is cute. I'm gonna say cute when I refer to cameras. You guys can be mad if you want. Should I say that it's technically advanced or should I say cute? I'm gonna say cute. The power button is actually right down here. And for the sensor, it's like a giant dial. And I think, I don't wanna break this. I just got it. It's a trial and error when you get any new camera. So I feel like eventually I'll know how to take this off. Probably have to press something maybe. Oh, there it is. There it is, look at that. This build is absolutely beautiful. Wait, maybe I should investigate the rest of this before I move on. Can you guys tell I'm the worst at camera reviews? Okay, is that it? I think it just goes out like that. I think that's the most that it does, okay? Or maybe it does more and okay, I'm just gonna put it back. I'm not gonna tinker with that too much. I just got it. So let's not do too much too soon. We don't wanna move too fast. We wanna take things slow, right? Some people rush into things. That's not me. Very easy to open on the sides. Both panels, you just slide through and then it opens up. One is for the card and then another one is a port. So I think it might be for charging or like file storage, you want file transfer. I'm so nervous, I don't wanna break anything on here. Is there like a secret mechanism? Oh my God, I don't know what I just did. I don't know how I did that. Do I just, oh, you push it in again and then you take it back out. Okay, there's the battery. I'm gonna put it back. Pretty simple. Again, I think it's so interesting that there's no backing holding it in place. For my other cameras, there's usually like a little flap that closes. It's like a little door, but there's no door to this. It's just, I guess that's the trust they have in the build of this. They could just they're like, we're not worried about the battery falling out. It's not gonna happen. Let's see what's in the rest of the box. I believe this is a manual or something. You know I'm not reading that. This is the camera strap. So cool. Can't wait to put that on. And it also has clips. The clips look like this. So I just think the design of everything is very interesting. It looks very high-end. It feels very expensive. Good build so far. Maybe for the battery, I have no idea what this is for. So this is, I'm assuming, the battery charger. It has a USB, USB-C, USB, whatever, whatever port this is. The last thing in this box. And this is the cord for the charging. This feels very heavy duty. I mean, the texture, it's really, it feels very strong. This charging cord, which I like. It's not one of those flimsy ones that you try to adjust it one time and it breaks in half and then you start an electrical fire and then your house goes in flames. You know, something like that. I only wish to be as strong as the material of this cord right here. Should we already start charging the battery? Like, I'm good to go. I'm ready to go out and shoot. The next box has the lens in it, so let's open that because we need to put the lens on the camera. Which way? Oh, here we go. Oh my God. Do you guys see this? My cat already tried to get into this box. Those are her teeth marks. She was trying to bite into the box. Can't leave anything for 2 minutes. On multiple sides too. She was doing work. She was working overtime. She's like, I gotta see what's in here. This is the culprit, everyone. Look at, she's trying to look all innocent. I know that you bit the box. You wanna bite it again before I open? Well, that ruined the box. Okay. Wow. 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 Okay, this is the front part. Wow, that is very cool and so different. I've never seen something like this. Very cool lens cap. This is a very, you guys, my lens caps are usually like just plastic and flimsy. This has like, this itself could be like $100 worth of a lens cap right here. This material just feels very expensive. Very, very well made. I can really feel the quality of everything feels very, very expensive to me. Look how beautiful this lens cap is. Just look at that. That's beautiful. So this is what the lens looks like. The lens I chose was the 55. I'm so excited to use this. Press down, and then you take the lens cap off. I don't know why it took me 2 centuries to figure that out. It won't, if you try to push it from the sides, it doesn't come up. That took way too long for me to figure out. Way too long. It comes with a lens hood. Okay, what else is in the box? This right here. Is it a sweater? Let's see what this is. It's like a is it a clothing item or something? It's not. It's gonna be the bag for the lens. Why did I think it's like a t-shirt? This quality is so amazing. This bag is so thick and everything is just very well made. It feels very well made. I'm not gonna lie though, I don't really use bags. I just kind of throw my lenses in the camera bag and just hope for the best. And that usually pans out okay for me. So will I use the bag for the lens? Probably not. So there we go. All right, this is it. That's crazy. This looks so cool. Oh my God. Everything feels very solid and everything has a little bit of weight to it, but it's not like super heavy, I would say. It just feels, like you're holding a very good quality camera, like a good piece of gear, I would say. The quality is so beautiful. I'm just in awe of how beautifully built and designed this looks. I've never held a camera like this before. And I'm just so, I'm beyond excited to actually go take pictures with this. You know what I noticed too? There's little H's. Wait, it looks like an H. Can you guys see the markings that look like little H's? Look, this little, like where you adjust your lens. This is so cool. I think that the design is so thoughtful in this camera and it's like an intentional design, which I love. Let me show you guys the final setup here. There it is. And then this is the top of the camera with the lens. And this is the front. Just looks so pretty. Let me take off the lens cap. Look how pretty that looks. And then the shutter button. I love this shutter button. It's so cute. And then we have the on button over here, up here. We have 2 buttons here. And then we have something here if you want to add a flash, I believe. And then, yeah, the bottom of the camera looks like this. It's so cool that they sent me this, and I can't wait to create. I can't wait to create with this. One thing I'm so excited for is the fact that this camera is medium format. So excited. I love medium format. I've been wanting to shoot medium format. So the fact that I have a medium format camera right now, mirrorless, I don't know what to say. I don't know. I just want to go out there and shoot. I looked something up, everyone. It has 1 terabyte of internal storage. Do I even need a memory card? You're telling me I don't need a memory card. 1 terabyte of built-in SSD. That's all I needed to hear. Wow, okay. That's crazy. But in a good way. In a good way. Let me zoom in. In a good way. Okay, I am ready to use this camera. I'm charging it right now.